Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change screen recording quality on your VIVO X300. So basically it's very simple and I'll show you how to do it quickly. So open up your control panel and scroll down here to record screen, and if you don't have this button, tap here on the pencil and choose the record screen from this list. So basically you'll need to find the record screen button, then hold it down and picture quality and change it to high or low, which one you prefer. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.